Productive habits are routines or behaviors that positively contribute to your personal and professional goals, enhancing your efficiency, effectiveness, and overall well-being. Building these habits requires consistent effort and a strategic approach. Curious how you can develop and maintain productive habits. Understanding product habits. Productive habits can include a variety of practices, such as time management, prioritizing tasks, using a calendar or planner effectively, and avoiding procrastination. Health and wellness, regular exercise, healthy eating, and adequate sleep. Continuous learning, setting aside time for reading, taking courses, or engaging in professional development. Mindfulness and mental health, practicing mindfulness, meditation, or journaling to improve focus and reduce stress. How to build productive habits. Start small. Begin with small, manageable changes rather than overhauling your entire routine at once. For instance, if you want to start reading more, you might start by reading just 5 pages a day. Be consistent. Consistency is key in habit formation. Try to perform your new habit at the same time every day so it becomes a natural part of your routine. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with each habit. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals can help you stay on track. Use triggers. Attach your new habit to an existing routine. For example, if you want to start a habit of meditating, do it right after your morning coffee. The existing habit drinking coffee then becomes a trigger for the new one. Make it enjoyable. Find ways to make the habit as enjoyable as possible. If you're trying to exercise more, choose activities that you actually enjoy rather than those you dread. Track your progress. Use a journal, app, or checklist to monitor your progress. Seeing improvements over time can be a powerful motivator. Be patient and flexible. Building a new habit takes time, often longer than the commonly cited 21 days. Be patient with yourself and flexible in your approach. If one method isn't working, be willing to adjust your strategy. Reward yourself. Set up rewards for reaching milestones related to your habit. This could be as simple as a small treat for a week of completed tasks or a larger reward for a month of consistency. Accountability. Share your goals with a friend, family member, or a mentor who can hold you accountable. This can significantly increase your chances of sticking to your new habits. Reflect and adjust. Regularly reflect on your habits and their effectiveness. Are they helping you achieve your goals? Do they need to be adjusted? Reflection allows you to fine-tune your habits so they better serve your needs. By carefully building and nurturing productive habits, you can significantly improve your daily productivity and long-term success. The key is to remain consistent, patient, and motivated throughout the process.